Hey friends, thanks for tuning in to the Freestyle Connection tutorial section. Today I want to talk about the time machine. Alright, the time machine is not an easy trick, but it is an awesome trick. I think the first time I saw this trick, I was blown away. It's still an awesome trick. I would say that this is an advanced level move. The basic time machine, I think, requires a bit of a carve. And what you're going to do is be on the rear pegs. You're going to do a bit of a peg wheelie. I like to turn the bars, carve, and bring the bike behind me, and I actually kick my foot through and kind of bring the bike behind me. And it's almost like a figure skater when she spins. You're going to spin like a top. You want your center of gravity over the axle, and the tighter you can bring your body, the quicker you're going to spin. I also noticed that when I have skinnier tires, it's a little easier to get into a spin with narrower tires. I'm running at 2.1, so they feel a little bit sluggish in this regard. I like them for other tricks like manuals and stuff, but with that said, let's do a slow-mo clip. Okay, we start off with a peg manual. Rotate the bars 180. Start carving. I grab for the front peg with my left hand, and I try to get comfortable in a stable carve, gradually bringing that circle in tighter. Eventually, when you try this enough, you're going to know when it's a good time to kick your leg forward. I really can't tell you more than that, but it's a sweet spot. Once you kick your leg forward, you actually want to move the bike behind you, and you'll feel that spin happen naturally. At this point, you just want to hang on. I balance with my foot that's free, the one that's kicked forward, and I just enjoy the spin. When I'm ready to get out, I spot my peg, step on the front peg, pedal over. Okay, friends, hopefully that helps you a little bit. I do think it's important to learn that carve, so the peg wheelie, carving it in circles, gradually bring it tighter and tighter, bring the bike close to you, and then behind you, turning your hips away from the bike, and you want to get your foot over this foot, like that. Point your toes if you have to, keep your balance over the axle, you'll just spin like a top. You try this, try it a few hundred, few thousand times, and eventually you'll start to get it. No joke, the more you try it, the easier it gets, and eventually you'll be doing a time machine. Thanks again for tuning in to the Freestyle Connection tutorial section. I hope this one helps. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask a question in the comments, and we'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Stay safe, friends, and stay rad. Woo!